Think Verizon is expensive? Think again. Anyone can bring their AT&T or T-Mobile bill to a Verizon store today and we'll give. So bring us your bill. Walk in, run in, pogo stick in, teleport if you can. Ride on the back of a rollerblading yak or
When I go live, I start what I say about 8:20. Next 5 minutes. Wow, I'm gonna get the pen. I'm gonna get the pen loaded up. I see it that we active. Well, I'm gonna see something to watch. Give me like 2 seconds. Alright, we're active right now. Now see my screen, by the way. You know me, the their levels I mark up. This morning I mark them up. You see me? Basically, I already have an idea chat. You might do for idea. But me I like feel me I forgot that delete all of them and I delete all of them and go back over it with them so I can have an understanding. Hold on, now my screen now share though. That's a joke thing. Battery all dead. Man, this thing a bug out, bro. Like me a glitch. You stream a lot? I see it that forward back. Oh, I'm gonna refresh this dog. I think I glitch, bro. We do even have no news there. Or that a cap. We have news at 10 a.m. if I'm not mistake. Alright. Every time I see you see or something, it's just bug out, bro. No, none of that, bro. If I had close to like a army, all it can go flip just now. We never flip though. Step. Alright, what going on, sir? Hold on, child. Nice my screen, by the way. I'm screen share with you. Bro, it's like more I'm a figure to for our screen share. Over share my screen. Boy, child, today, we look for like, we have two ideas for today. We could look for sells and we could look for buys. But it's the thing though, in order for get sells, would I need this 4 I can go to flip, close below 49. Once we flip bearish, close below 49, like a breakout and retest, something like that, chat. More see this 4 I can go. If we can manage to like push all the way down, flip bearish. Well, I'm try draw out everything. I can't draw this thing above out. Bro. I can't even draw a pen now work. So, but what I said was like, once this 4 I can go flip, we could look for some sells, but not on the 4 I can go flip itself. We'll wait for a break and then a retest, something like this chart. This can go open up, we'll print a low, sealer, move it. This can go open up at 49, we'll print a low, and then we'll push up, finally flip just now. Bro, I remember drawing Celine, dog. Can't draw. I'm put this back. Right, so. Print a low, or print a high. Because this is basically the 4 hour candle high, the current 4 hour candle. Print a high right here, so. And now push all the way back down. I think we'll flip bearish just now, right at yellow line. So this is the thing, chat. So 4 hour candle look right now. Open up, print a low, print a high, reject. Flip bearish. Now avoid the candle flip, because even though I expect price to fall down, not on the flip though. Once we flip, we need to see a closure below 49. After a closure below 49, then we look for like sells. So something like this chart. Price flip, reject, print a mini top wick, push back all the way back down to the price right now. Or even if we can break out, once the price break lows, retest, and the second closure below, we could look for sells. Once price fall back down and close back below, we could look for sells going down. But sells would be like on this level chat. We'll wait for see like a closure back below here, so. Yeah. So that's basically the rebreak of the lows. And we now look for sells sealer. We now look for sells on the rebreak of the lows. We are going to wait until price rebreak the lows and then reject and rebreak again. And the second rebreak we could sell right here. Expect like a range fill. That's the idea of the sells chat. Hopefully you understand. If you don't, just ask a question. Let me just go over it again. Let me just delete all of them. No, not all. Just delete them. My mouse are bug out. The sensitivity kind of mess up, bro. Sensitivity on the mouse. So we almost rebreak the lows, chat. Remember my talk about a rebreak of the lows and a retest. So I'm put that on a rebreak of the lows. Idea for buys. but they need price for print low. Alright, you know what, chat? We could get some weekend trip buys today. Weekend trip buys would be a bad idea because as soon as I see this, can't draw. But as soon as I see this right as a chat, well per chance, price get like price attempt for drive up like multiple times. Like this can go push up, like we could drive up, but we never close back into the range. The bullish can go after that. This can go print a low. We could push up, but we fail for continue up. Price just close within the range. This matter about. So this bullish can go try get a chance right as of a drive up again. Price close respecting. The next can go open up, which is the current hourly, and we'll fill the range once again. Now we're at 44. Now we're at 44. As I'm gonna say, this 44 levels, 46. No, sorry, 51, 44. This level price was able to reject from multiple time. As I can say, reject about 4 times. Rejection right, so price top, flip bullish. Rejection, price top, close bearish respecting. Another rejection again, price top the same level, close bullish back above the range. This can go open up, fill the range, and don't wait at the support level. So that's the reason why that avoid sells, because this is basically like very close to the 4 candle flip. Yeah. So we're gonna wait until they will re-break the 4 candle lows. Since this support right as a check, since this is support, we're gonna wait until price will re-break the lows. As I can see, the lows they're right below that. Price will re-break the 4 candle lows. Do something like this, as I'm showing you before. Just need to see a breakout and a retest sells below range 2. For the buyers them chat, like I don't have no idea for buyers right now because of this range. The only buy idea we could get is a weekend trip buy. Weekend trip buy would have be decent. But let me see which level would have be decent for weekend trip buys them. Weekend trip buy is basically when price are pushed down chat, like say this can go continue straight down. Bro, I need to get this sensitivity fixed, dog. Thing bug out. So print a high, price reject, we print a low, print another high, print another low. So I range out in. You see me? When I say weekend trip buys means something like this, chat. No price that push down, top 44, and then we reject and we retest this level. This level will break out. So that's basically a retest. So this is a good example of like weekend trip buys, but we would look for this. We would look for entry at 44. In order for me to take buys price, I'd have to break 44, chat. Like 33 would have be decent. Could look for buys at 33. Or even look further than that. Well, adjust this down some more. We look for buys at like 29, 51, 29. Yeah, I expect just like some rejection, because even if price are gonna drive down, we're gonna need top wicks. So if we look for buys at 28, 29, you'll expect some rejection. You see me? Price could easily reject, fill the whole entire range since the structure bullish overall. But even if we don't fill the entire range, break structure, you would expect like a rejection towards the resistance minimum. Because as I can see, we have a resistance right at 36, 51, 36. So this could be the buy though, if we're going to take buys. But for right now, it sells, then they're way closer. Most likely we're gonna get some sells though, but we still got both ideas, buys and sell. Idea for both players. Bro, no, I try to fix some more sensitivity, yeah, bro. I think I'll just slow my down. But chat, hopefully I understand the idea. Yeah, hopefully I understand the breakdown. Today is like, like I said, today kind of simple in terms of like the breakdown. But yeah, chat, just remember, trend bullish. We not bullish trend. So weekend chip buys would have been decent. And if we break and we close below, see this 4 candle flip just now and then we reject. So this is exactly why I avoid the 4 candle flip. 4 candle just bluff, bro. See, I'm going for the wrong thing. I'm gonna X off this. 4 candle just fucking troll, dog. So I have to wait until we break out of the range, chat, because a week is a range. You see, it's a week will print at 43, 51, 43. This is like a range we in a, you see me, like if price will break below 49, we in a range from 49 to 43. You see me, chat. See now price flip bullish and we're above 49. So you could I say we're above like 52 right now. So you could I say like we're like in a range from like 52 to like 58, or you could put this on it, the hourly can go top week. You see me? So like break out a certain ranges and break into a new range whenever that happens. But weekend chip buys at 44. Let me see. That look clean. Weekend chip buys at 44 look clean, check. I just never did a like free that though. We didn't reach this yet. Not 43, 44, 51, 44. That would have been clean. Let's push like 100 pips, 80, 82. Dead or far. So there should be a decent day check. Should be. Price action look clean. Potential buys at 44 would have been decent though. It's like, I would call this a mixed trade chat because I had no plans to buy at 44 levels. So I would call this a missed entry. Now that I'm looking at it, it's like everything makes sense why this candle reject from 44. That time I made, I must say like the trade look clean. No regrets, it just look clean. Makes sense why price reject from this level. Yeah, I'm a stream there now crash again, bro. Bro, one time I be a crash on stream, now crash on. That's my go live, just get like 10-15 minutes crash. I just that no. Then I'm a room cool your friend, dog. But chat, we just playing the waiting game right now. We already have idea for buys and idea for sells. We just have to like wait and see how price react, which level will close above or below. Patience, isn't it? Fix that, bro. Like too much. Yo, take some out of it, dog. No, used to know no close cash, no swing my way. Enough patrol and other, but never say chance away.
Creativity is not something I wait for. I am Antoni Sendra, a filmmaker. I'm always
Everything
hunting
college
and
drop out,
hustling
dog.
for ideas. Adobe Creative Cloud is designed to be almost like a playground. They provide you with some really inspiring tools for you to start. It allows me to disappear in the
Any
creative process.
closures but
It's
below
about
44
filmmaking.
would have be
Adobe
decent
Creative
check.
Cloud
51,
gets
44.
me into the zone.
Any closures but below the side of the decent cool of sales going down. Cause you would expect without this level, this right as should be enough. But if it's not and price push back all the way down, close below 43 levels, close for sales below 43, go down. 43 go down towards 36. I could even adjust this. Sales go down towards 40, 51, 40. Let me measure the range going down though. Delete that. So like what? This is a 30 pip range going down. You can hold it towards like 38, 38 would be decent. Basically the wick fill. That would be 50. So can I just put this right so. I'm gonna left away there actually. Left away there. See that could be new cells. Those idea. Any closure below 43 would be decent. 51, 43. I mean, I like when too much lines up on your screen, so I'm move a line just right now. Yeah, move that just right now. But price action clean though, I can't lie. So the price action kinda crazy. Might get a trade soon, chat. Before 10 o'clock. We never give up, we continue work. Well, as I say, hopefully I understand like the idea. We have idea for both buyers and sellers. So we'll just play a waiting game. See how this candle actually react, see which level will close above or below. And as I'm gonna say, any closure back below 43 or 30, wait. Any closure back below 43, yeah, 51, 43, sells them would be decent. Going down towards 40. But that would be on the rebreak at the rebreak at the 4 candle lows though. Let me adjust this down some more. That's also the hourly lows. Yeah. And if the hourly candle rebreak its lows, would I get a breakout? Because we clearly have like 45 is a subway level, 51, 45.32. It's like a support level right there. So say first, push down, close below, re-break it slow. We got like, when I expect once we get like closures below like 43, we got like clean range going down towards 36, 51, 36.88, something like this. Here's me check. So we need, the first step is we need a closure back below though. Closure below here, so re-break the current candle up. Yo, we may get cool here, folk. Dunce with dunce. With dunce for sure, ID. Dunce for sure, ID. I'm really like that. Just I want to watch this chat. Think we have news in the next like what 15 minutes. You still fry, bro. range to the left. Just watch how this hourly candle go close, child. We get a closure below that decent, like we get a closure respecting. Next 30-minute candle could still break out, and the next hourly time frame. Get a closure below would be ideal. Closure respecting, you'd expect the next 30-minute time frame for range to close respecting this level. So what this yellow line at 49. I'm going got 11 minutes though. I feel like I freeze, right? That's a cool fuck. You got like what, 8 minutes? 8 minutes until this hourly can go close. As I'm saying, chat, we need to see like a closure below. Closure respecting would be ideal. That means the next 4 can go basically range. Well, not the whole entire 4, but you'd expect was still like would have still been at this range if we close respecting. As you can see, we in a range, would I say from like 49, this would be like support 49 to 65, 51, 65. Or you could even use the candle lows, right? So I say from 42 to 65. But any closure respecting within this range, you'd expect the next candle fill the range next 4 time frame. We could break out, and we have news at 10. Yeah, I think we have news at 10 a.m. I'm just gonna wait and see how this candle close. Closure below would be decent though. We too done so show ID. Oh Lord. Yeah, I expect a volume to pick up at like 9:30. Around the entire day. Right now, just a range. I start create some name for them, like for them players, yeah. Start create like my own name for them. I have to drop that. So we stay down to. We have 3 minutes left, chat. Be like, bro, my wait for his candle for close for long now. This 4 hour we are closing at 2 minutes though, I will say. We are close respecting, if we close below. We'll wait and see. We're probably gonna close below in our last 2 minutes in a chat. We just this whole entire territory we can go basically we're not gonna know it, bro. Just print a high, flip bearish, push down towards 45. So it's like what? 40 pip candle. Like we have 4 done chat. Still got a minute though. Let's see. Because this candle, bro, goal we freaking rejecting that last minute. Basically we've been at the car we did above the range, we did above 49. In like a minute and 30 seconds. In this candle here. 2 minutes. And we did in less than a minute as I can see. Let's push straight down and we'll break. So I think we will close below for the minute time frame to 40 seconds. Can this only close below? If we close below chat, we would wait for the next candle open up, print a top wick, and we could look for sales on the next 4 hour candle. Next hourly candle. Basically, both of them are closed at the same time. Close below. Nice. So chat. Want to see a top wick and then a range 2 breakout. Cause we're still respecting 40, 43, but close below 49. So something like this would have be decent. Look, see if price push down and we'll print a low chat. So we'll just print a low just now. Not looking for sales as yet. Looking for sales below like range 2 breakout. So something like this. Price would have to print a low, reject. Just like what we are doing right now. Reject. And if we might to like close below for the second time, re-break its lows, go look for sales and the re-break of the lows going down towards the range fill. Yeah. But we'd have to like break this level we have right as I do. I'm sure enough. We'd have to like break this level chat. The re-break of the lows. That this mean when we say like sales below range 2. As you can see, we just break below range 1. We print a we call this again. We get some rejection at 41. Safe price for reject that good, but any re-break of 41, you'd expect that should take us down towards 37 levels. 51, 37, and 51, 36. That's a new idea for sales chat. That's not even new. That idea we've been have mother say just the levels them change. Got more price print to have like adjust levels them. But same idea though. So chat, this candle should be able to print a top wick. You would expect a top wick on this 4. So you will see, wherever we print a high, at, we're just gonna wait and see if this candle can actually like close back below like 40, 41. $49 would have been decent in the chat, which was like, now that we tap 49, we have to wait and see if this candle actually reject and close back below. As we could tap 49, get like some small rejection, and then price break the highs again at 49, something like this. This could happen. We tap, reject, but as I can say, we never flip because this would have been the flip, so we never flip bearish. Price break the highs, close above 49. Now we in a new range chat. More look for no buys as yet. See la. More look for no buys as yet because buys them not valid as yet. More wait for like a closure above range 2 after we break into the range though. Don't fully understand what I'm trying to say. Range 2 breakout after we close back above 49 basically. Whoa, close above. Can get close above in the last minute. So now we're back into the range, chat. Back into the range. But remember I said we look for range 2. Even if we're going to take buys, we look for range 2 buys. Like price break above 49. But I said that would have been range 1. Price can break above like 53. Could I lose like could look for buys above 53 levels, but price would have to need for break, retest, and then break it for the second time. I'm not talking about the highs, the candle highs. make sure that you get tapped. Hold on, I'm gonna see some. I'm gonna see if we can get a painting if it work. Still not work. A painting a lame dog. Some days it just don't work. I don't know how that.
동안 들었죠. 스낵 랩을 돌려주세요. 네, 여러분이 이겼습니다. 하지만 더 많은 걸 요구했어도 됐겠죠. 인사하세요. 핫 허니 스낵 랩. 이제 여러분이 진짜로 이겼습니다. 맥도날드에서 아직 기회가 있을 때 맛보세요. At participating McDonald's for a limited time.
When I close below H, I just get some rejection. Hold on. Bro, man, I have to get a penny for work, dog. This is not work, fuck it. We have to go wait till 8:30, bro. Volume kinda dead. Price and move still, you know, but we're just in our same range. Same range of the, you know. Shrub Chris. Alright, I'm gonna get some levels mark up. This is how I get in 4 ranges. This. I'm just fix up the lines them. This is a rebreak at the highs. Alright, this one. Put that yellow. I'm measure range going up though from the rebreak at the highs. That'll be 25, so 26. Yeah, I expect price to reject them. Oh. The chat, we're gonna wait, see if the next candle can print a low. We'll get some entries that will be decent. But we basically already filled the range. Yeah, middle range. So only can go rebreak its size and just pop. Potential buys would have been decent. I have a level at 49 too. Bro, that mini candle. Whenever I X where you can go for just like popping at the freaking last second. And at last second we close above the range now. They're like at 55, which is slightly above. And last second you can just push some close and make like range. And the range gets smaller, chat. You can't buy and they can't go flip. You can't do that with a middle range. This 30-minute candle would I expect it print a low. Even if we go and push up, would I expect a low down towards 53. Yeah. If we can print a low at top 53, then we could look for buys going up. Or we could look for some weekend buys at 53. Price action look clean though, I swear to you. But we need a low. So we need a lower chart. Still got we still got range going up as well, so the buys them will miss just now and the minute time frame. At least like we get a closure in a middle range. That's the only problem, check. Like once this candle close in a middle range, basically like fill most of the range already. So you could look for buys on this candle. Only way we could have do that is if price push all the way down and top 53, 51, 53. Could look for some weekend buys, or we could put buy stop on the candle flip. But we never tap. We never tap 53 yet. We just gonna have to wait. I must say, like the 4-hour ranges, like I think the 4-hour got clean range going up if we close above 58. Nah, no more data to the left. Put this right there, so breakout our resistance track. So can we get a closure above? We break out closures above and we retest like 56 would be decent as well. 56 is also the 15-minute candle low. Okay, so that's where price reject from. 56 levels. Which time frame we see it on the 30? We have like resistance or rejection like 58. Too much lines. Let me delete some of these lines. Try. I'm not confused. I'm gonna adjust this. I have too much line on my screen right now. I'm gonna delete this. Remove this. Whenever I chart, I have like too much line chart. It just look messy. That's why that's like only have a few, like 3 to 4. But as I'm saying, we'll wait to see if we can get some rejection at like 56 levels. We got 9 minutes left until the 30 close. This 5-minute candle close. Can we push down? If not, I will break the highs first, check, and then close below like 58. We could look for sales going down. So the candle flip bullish or push up. So we'll see if we can like break or tap the resistance. If price manage to like close back below, something like this. Since we are push up on top, price manage to close back below. We call this again 58, 51, 58 at the current candle low. Anything like this would have be decent. We'll wait for like a little retest though. Price retest. Okay, let's look for sales going down. Cause I expect like a range fill after that. You see me? So that'll be like a good support level. Could I look for close off if that will happen. But when I reach this yet, when I reach that far, we top. So we'll see try if this candle gonna actually reject, cause the what you call it? The only candle will open up below the range, as I can see. Still got 38 minutes. This candle can definitely flip within 38 minutes. We could easily flip bearish. 30-minute candle got 8 minutes left. So that I think within 8 minutes we can wait and see if this 30-minute candle actually close above. Cause we have a level at 64. This yellow line right here, so I'm gonna wait and see if we actually like close above this level 64. If we don't close above and close back below 58, yeah, sales them going down would have be decent. So that's our idea. So we get some rejection there. But it's not only about the rejection chart. Once this candle actually flip bearish and close below the range. Minute candle let us pop. But I look for buys when the rebreak I hide them. But they just too slow. Candle just pop within like the last like second, bro. Last 2 seconds candle push up and close above the range. Still looking for buys as well, chat, but we need some rejection because even if price break out above 64, chat, we're gonna wait for like rejection. Like something like this. Like go bullish and we are push up. We are push up bullish. Like say how this current candle, if we break 64, 51, 64, still would have wait for like rejection. That way if the price reject, if it want range, cool. If we print a fake out, price push down, push back up into the range, and we could fake out, we have a decent. Once we close back above the high chart, once we close back above, we could look for buys. Something like this, me I wait pan if me I go take buys. Once we go rebreak the higher, so. Bro, I can't even freaking draw a straight line. Right, there so. Yeah. So something like this, me I wait pan chat. As I say, rebreak at the highs. Price need for reject after that. Whether I want range a little bit, print a fake out. Once we pop back above the high, then we could look for entries. I'ma delete them, bro. Let's see there. So let me see. What we do just now? Go back. Look like we break. Look a while. Wait, I'm not trip. No, I'm not trip, bro. We just break the highs just now. No, we came close, chat. We don't break as yet. We have 4 minutes until it's 15 close. I remember I say, once the price break the highs, retest, range, and like the minute time frame, print a fake out, close back above the high. That'll be like an A+ setup. Close respecting for the 5 minute cool. 3 minutes left until the 30 close. And we never rebreak the highs. Well, I'll make sure, bro, cause it look like you rebreak the highs, but when you zoom in, no, we never rebreak the highs, chat. Not about this high what we have to the left and the current candle high. But we're still good though. We got 3 minutes until this 15 close. So gonna wait and see how this 15 minute can go close. Probably within the 15 we'll break the highs. Within 3 minutes. Chat, give me 2 seconds, chat. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put a level on the rebreak of the highs. So if price rebreak the highs, I'm not gonna know. Right, that's so. Chat, me soon forward. Give me like 2 seconds. Well, I'm gonna say something before I left. Minute can clear up. Up. Alright, chat, me forward. Give me 2 seconds. Just a cool another gotcha. 30 seconds. 30 seconds until it's 15 close. Whether close above or below. I could re-break in highs. Not yet. Almost. This is Kango top 56? No, 62. I remember I said, yeah, I'll push past that a long time. Push past 56 levels a long time ago. Close bullish without a top wick. Finally rebreak the highs such like we're going to like I'm looking for buys and this can go high. But before I put buy stop on the can go high, I need to see this can go reject first. Nice. But we need to see like a low get print. Flip bearish, that's the first step. Can this can go rebreak its lows? I need to see like a steeper low. After a steeper low, then I'll put buy stop on the rebreak at the highs. But that's probably enough. This shit gonna probably push without us. But if that happens, then it is what it is. Not going to like boom into any buy position. Gonna just wait and make sure like everything line up perfect. But that's probably enough though, chat. We're pushing. Don't feel FOMO. So you gotta. They want to see we retest like at least this level. At least this level, chat. Like rebreak the candle lows, tap this level, and then rebreak the highs. That would be buys going up. But clearly this was enough at 64. Clearly. I need glasses for say this shit push. Measure that. 38. Still got range going up, chat. No FOMO. We still got range going up. Just have to wait for closures, and let me delete these lines and get some new level markup. Some new ranges, because the more candle print, chat, the more we have to adjust. So I'm gonna just do that real quick. I'm like a second. We'll just get the levels and mark up. This would be what 4 candle ranges, yeah. Let me see. Daily candle high. The range going up. We have like a 30-42 pip range going up. Alright. So chat. Basically, let me tell you guys how I get like my levels them. Explain to you guys like how I get these levels. So basically, whenever I'm marking up, I start with the 4 candle. The 4 range. Identify the range the 4 candle is in. I would say we're in a range from like 51.17. This would be like the support, and we have some resistance at 51.81. Yeah, so that's the 4 range, right? Drop down to the hourly time frame and narrow it down. Because remember, with day trading, with scalping, when I look for entries off the 4, we just identify the range. So the 4 resistance at 81. So if price bullish right now, we could push up to the 4 candle resistance. The range going up is 90 pips. We have a 90 pip range going up, so we could take advantage of that. And also, we just want to make sure, chat, this like 4 candle resistance, right? So it's like we not expect a breakout at the 4 candle resistance. Even though price could break out, we would have a hold and like anticipate the breakout. We could just like look for buys going up towards the range fill. You see me? Could just do that. But it's all about how we're going to get up there though. So since I would expect 81 get top, let's figure out how we could push up towards 81. So drop down to like a smaller time frame, like the 15, and put a level right here. So clearly it's at the rebreak at the high. Basically same, right? Yeah, same for the 15. So rebreak at the highest chat. Price rebreak is high. We have like resistance right here. So we have like these levels right here. So basically we could wait for price like close above, rebreak its highs. Once that happens, you would expect like once we get closures above like 75, we should be able to fill the range at 80. So I'm showing if we not understand. Hold on, chat. Hold on. Let me just get this level like right. So I'll get this right. Cause use historical data. This is a thing I'm also to try. You see, whenever like you mark the levels and like the current time frame, whenever like you mark the levels, me usually go left to like identify. Let me make sure it's not miss. This is how the rebreak. Like that. 24 seconds. The range fill would have been risk free. If we should get entry on the rebreak, we could look to go break even once we feel like the wick fill, sorry. The wick fill could have been break even. That would have been like 25. And the range fill would have been 60. But before we rebreak the highs, we need to see rejections, right? Rejections necessary. If this 3-minute can go push straight up, rebreak the highs, no buy stop. Need to see this can go reject first, print a low and then rebreak the highs. Nice, so print a low just now. That 3 minutes until the 5 close. 8 minutes, alright chat, so I place buy stop on the rebreak of the highs. Price already rebreak the highs. Guess we're too slow. Chat. I was just about to put buy stop on the rebreak at the highs after this candle print a low just now. But we're too slow, bro. Too slow, range get filled. What the fuck, bro? No way. But chat, even though we never get entries, the idea play out. That's the only good thing in this situation. You see how we get the levels, we identify the 4-hour ranges. Once price break, was able to fill the 4-hour range. Cause remember I'm telling you, we have resistance at 51.80, and that's the exact level where price top just now after we rebreak the highs. So that's how I get my levels marked up. And just like range to range, like if we break out of this range, which range we should be able to tap or fill. That's how you look at it. But yeah, we missed this trade. Fuck it, bro. Shit pissed me off low key. But let's just get some new levels. I would even have to get no new levels. We could just delete this. Since we're at the 4-hour resistance, we're gonna be careful here. 51.80 is a 4-hour candle resistance. So we're gonna have to be careful because this candle can easily reject. So taking buys now after we already fill the range would be smart. Would have basically be chasing. We miss a trade, we now go chase, bro. It's the worst thing you can do. Chase the move. We just go wait chat, cause as I'm saying, buys above 80 would be ideal. We already fill the range. This is a resistance. Don't be surprised if they can go reject and we'll close back below. Best thing for do is wait 6 minutes where the higher time frame close. Within 6 minutes we got a 15 closure. So if the 15 can manage to close above 80 in 5 minutes, 6 minutes, then we could wait till the next 15-minute candle, print a low and look for buys off the next 15-minute candle, but not this one. 5 minute, not 5, 3 minute close above, we're gonna still avoid that. Even if we can go flip chat, we're gonna avoid this. No FOMO. no entries. But as I'm saying, if this can go reject and close back below, re-break its lows, don't be surprised, bro. So I'm not taking no buys as yet. And even if this candle push, then cool. I'm just gonna stay out this trade because it not aligned perfectly. We're breaking the highs. If this can go pop, GG's. We're waiting on this 15 can go chat. We got 4 minutes. Hold on, give me a second. Still got 4 minutes, bro. I'm thinking we're probably at 2 minutes by now. Just wait. Be a little bit extra patient. Might have to go up on the road today, you know. Might have some business we did. So I'll call it a day at like 11 o'clock. But chat, what I say, most likely we're gonna get a trade for the day though. Only way I wanna get a trade is if the freaking 10 AM candle just range. The only way. As well, I feel like my dip at level. That's just like a rule of mine. Never like trade until never really trade past 11 o'clock. Sometimes I go to 12, but most of the times I end at 11. Most times. Majority. Boomba. Alright. Bro, that's a hot dog. Bro, live for your side that charge. Regular day, depend it. Young girl like how school I get. Don't so show ID. I have this a face camera I use record video. Usually use this. Bro, I make this so big. Oh. I say I'm gonna use it. Record a video. Bro, I drop a video up on my channel yesterday, bro. If you don't see that, you can check it out. Drop an actual video. It's like the video creating thing, like, and I find it fun. Well, I'm gonna be honest, the only part fun about it is when like you're exporting the video. You know, like you're create something. We'll still got a minute left. You know, like you're create so much like it's not really fun when you're creating it, you know. But when you're done, and you freaking upload the video, even if you get no views, like when you look at it from like you actually like when you create something, you just feel proud of it, bro. I swear. Can't fall back in the next 10 years, next 15 years. When look on the video I'm create, look how I used to like think in a 2026, in the next 50 years from now, isn't it? So I'm stream and then thing there, because when you document your journey, that's important. When you can look back. And even my journal, like chat, it's like the next thing when we start like document, as I can see from like think of from January 2024, bro. We have freaking data from January 17, 2024. We have data come straight up towards February 23 and 23. Got beer data chat. So this is what I say, whenever you journal, whenever you document stuff, like anything, journal your trades, my freaking live stream, like whatever you do, bro, like just keep like a track record, because when you can come back and look where you did like 2 years ago, like you can see if you improve or not. There's so much chat. Yeah, bro. So in April, May 2024, bro, so when I trade with my mentor chat. So I made it like my mentor that trade. But you can see like he upgrading my journal, like every step, like every time I add something new, you can see journal just a upgrade 2024. It's how in December. So it's how in a year about we're done. Yeah. But chat, whenever you document stuff, bro, I swear that's important. Like, keep a track record. Look at this 15 now. So this previous 15-minute candle close without a top wick. Whenever that happens, you would expect the next candle to reject. So chat, the buy idea, I would say invalid. It's just not ready yet. We're gonna wait until this 15 flip. If we can flip bearish, print a low at 81, rebreak its highs. Once we print a low at 81, we could put buy stop on the rebreak at the highs. Because if this can go rebreak its highs, you would expect we should be able to push. Bro, I'm at my left up this on my screen, man. Clone, you know. Move that. Say, that's what me wait for. We just need to see like some rejection. But if we have no more range, bro, judge up. So we have some range right here, so. Price was able to reject, tap this level. Then once we flip back, let me say something. Put this right here, so. Put a level right here, so. That's so good. Now adjust this chart. I put this up here, so. So I rebreak high highs. I put that right there, so. Measure the range going up. We have like 100 pip range going up. So a 70 right here, so that will be decent. 70. Yeah, we could look for buys above 96, 51.96. But we need that bottom wick get print. Once that happens, then we could look for buys. See, this candle just open up and pop straight up. So we're not gonna work with that. And then we can, if we don't print a low, we can just avoid it. Avoid the move completely. The range you could have to take advantage of though. It's like 70 pip range going up, chat. I could have marked it, you know, but I'm not really like when too much lines up on the screen. That's the only reason I'm gonna mark it. But this level right here, chat, we look for buys above 96, go up towards 03. Just never put a line there because Not like when we have too much line. So we could look for buys going up towards O3, but may I remove this line right now. Just keep this level in like your head. Because O3 is an important level, that's the resistance. I expect once price break, we should be able to push up towards O3. But yeah, when we're ready for like enter, then I put a level at O3. I'm not really like on my chart of more than 3 to 4 lines, bro. I swear that hey, the word man. We too done for sure ID. Oh, Jaja. Bro, all that. Let me get one. Respect. Are we going to get closures above? $60. Alright. I'm gonna put a level right as a chart. So we're gonna work with that. But it can go print a high within the range. That's crazy. Must have some from the rebreak of the high towards the range fill. That's like 50. We're still good, I guess. Yeah, we're still good. Alright, try to sell them see some drop down to like the 3. We could look for buyers, try and the rebreak. The rebreak of the 15-minute candle highs, but now that we start for reject. If this 3-minute candle close below within 1 minute, you would expect this 15-minute candle to flip. The 3-minute candle closure go lead to the 15-minute candle flipping bearish. This could be a fake out chat, but it's not confirmed as yet. We still have a minute left. This can go have a close bearish back below, then we'll say alright, that's a fake out. Could look for some weekend buys since we're going to get a fake out. But I'm gonna see which level would have been the best for like the weekend buys feeler. I would say like 73 not bad. 51.73. Alright, weekend buys. Yeah. Or could I work with 81? 81 is a good level as well. Right, so let's do that big like top wide range. And if we forward back all the way down, chat. We're re-breaking the highs. Alright, chat. I'm gonna look for buys and this can go like the re-break of the highs. Alright. Just mark it, execute buys just now. The chat, just mark it, execute buys on the re-break of the candle high. Yeah. Stops would I be like on the previous candle. The previous candle low. That's where stops would I be at. And when I look for go break even, once we like top, I think this range going up is like, this is a 70 pip range going up, but from the high, from the rebreak of the high, that's like 48. And we have another level like Another level 14. 52-14. So chat, that's the buys I got into. Hopefully I understand the idea behind the trade. And this trade will have 300 pip stops. Yeah. If price break back into the range, then the buys would be invalid. So stop loss, let me get the exact level. Stop loss is at 5163.63. That's the exact level for stops. TP, we could put TP at like 5214.53. That would have be TP. We could go break even at like 004. 5204. This level right there could be risk free. So yeah, that's basically that's the idea. So we'll see if this candle can re-break its highs, or we're gonna push straight down for like a steeper low first. That's not possible, chat. Like if this candle don't re-break its highs, then probably this candle gonna push down for like a steeper low. That could be at 5180, 5173, could be wherever. But this would be breaker structure at 63. If price push down, we don't reject from any one of these levels, have a letter rejection on the way down. That not happen, we'll break through all of them and close below like 63. This trade would have been invalid. So that's the reason why I have my stop loss right here, chat. My stop loss is always on breaker structure. Wherever like the trade become invalid, that's where I place my stops. Yo, what's up, bro? I haven't seen you in a minute. But you're back though. Hopefully I understand the idea behind the trade, whether you're in or not. Cause that's how you learn, you see me? And you know, whenever I'm a stream, it help me to chat. Like whenever I'm a live stream, it just help me to understand my trades more. Whenever like I explain it to somebody else, break it down. And this can go top 04, bro. Why the fuck was struggling like that? 04 chat would be break even if we tap this level. That's like 45 pips in profit. This would be a risk-free trade if we manage to tap 04. You could hold the trade up towards 14, could close full at 04, 45 pips. Yeah, could just put stops to break even, let it run, but probably going to need a steeper low. It depends. Like you would expect this candle to push, but we got what, 20 seconds. I will see if this candle freaking troll or if we actually continue the trade. Got 2 minutes until the 15 close. A bullish close on this 15-minute candle chart would be decent. We can manage to close bullish above like 96. Bullish closure above 96 would have been decent. This yellow line right here. Got a minute and 50 seconds left though. Jaja. Hold on, the chat. Give me like 2 seconds, chat. May I forward? I'll be right back. Bro, then finally freaking deliver package. This package like 2 weeks now. Delay for like what? 3 days. No, long that, bro. An extra 3 days I'm pay for like fast shipping. I have to go open this after stream though. It's like a basically streaming equipment. You see me? Say we'll close below, we'll never close above 96. Currently in a 60 pip drawdown. Let me see try if we're still good. Like once see the exact level this can go like close at. I'm going to delete this soon, just wait. Yeah, 96 would have been way better closure above 96. But we're still good though. See if this candle can print a low. Once we re-break its highs, we should be back. We should be heading back above 96 chat. Anything above 96 we should be able to fill the range at like 14. 52 14. This can go have a print a low and re-break the highs though. Close back above 96. Alright, so I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete that. Wait. Nah. I'm just put this right as a. It's a 96. Just delete this. Yeah. That would have been way better. But we'll still have 96 level identify. Oh good. How many I talk about again? So I will get a new hourly candle, as you can see. So I will say we have news at 10, right? I guess it's like a what you call it? A yellow folder. That's why we don't have that much volume. Bro, it like hopefully what you call it? Hopefully gold volume not dead out, bro, because man I try to stay as a past 11. And we could get pineapples as well, chat. Could get some pineapple entry, but we're not even close as yet. Not close as yet. This can go just drop. We'll see if we can tap. But we'll see how this can go react after we tap like 5180. This level I may have right as so. Money is all I see. The property all I pay. God living my job. We've done so sure ID. You will have a level at 49. Oh, it was done so. Yeah. Price move a lot though. Yeah, it's how much? 600 pips. So whenever I enter a trade and I'm in drawdown, I just like, it's like I just wait, bro. Like you just have to like wait until this trade play out, whether we hit stop loss or if we hit TP. You just have to be patient. This trade was according to plan. We never FOMO. We never FOMO into entries. So just see how we plan play out. Once we follow a plan for a long enough period of time, we should come out on top. Based off of like the stats, the statistics. That's why journaling important, chat. Help you like you have an understanding of what the hell you're doing, bro. But I can be honest with you, know, journaling lame, bro. I swear, it lame, but I swear to you, it help. It's like anything lame good, bro. I don't know why. Whenever something lame and boring, most likely good. Journal, chai. If you don't have a journal, create one, bro. Easy. Or you can just copy mine. Like, you can just copy this and add your touch to it. Start with date, time, session, pair, entry type, win, lose, pips, max, drawdown. Like, these are the stuff that you basically track. You see me? So create a journal, chat. Copy mine, do whatever, but that's important. Trust me, me tell you. More sometimes when I'm not streaming, I'm just like going over my journal, chat. See how I can improve, and sometimes I just check to see what improvement what me improve on, like, you see me? Like, yeah, I use the data we have in the past and how you used to do things in the past and compare it to the present, and you see if you improve or not. But most people don't ever have them past data. That's the thing. That's why you need to journal. You can't ever compare it to anything. My two dons for sure. ID. That may be honest with you, know? I think I need to work on like my entries, chat. Like, I think I need to work on that. And bro, next thing I need to work on is to speak properly, bro. I always be like, even when I know what I'm about to say, I just always freaking like repeat like and so I have to go like change that. And my entries though, chat, like I realize like my entries, some of them, not all, it can be a little bit more like better. The entries can definitely be better. But the thing we're good, as mother said, my entries can be better, but the thing we're good about like my strategy is even if I get like a messy entry, the stops might be a good stop loss placement. Cause sometimes you can get a messy entry, but your stop loss that actually save the entry, you still end up winning the trade because of your stop loss placement. So that good stop loss placement. And the next thing is structure. This trade, this buy we just take just now is like we're with the trend, and we have structure on the way up. So technically price should continue up. We still stops can still get hit, even though you would expect price to continue up. But like as I said earlier, like once you execute the plan and you just do it for a long period of time, you should be straight, bro. So yeah, the trend direction good. Stops placement good. It's just the entry. Can tweak the entry a little bit. The entry can get tweaked a little bit, check. Swear to you. But this I think though, I cannot just do that today. Like I have to just collect data, sample size, and then make a change. But we need a lot of data though. And we have to go sample size, you know, I forget that. Just like a stop loss chat. It's like one day like maybe I figure out like whether I can like increase my stop loss or decrease it. But before I like adjust my stop loss, the first thing I do I like collect data on it. Max drawdown is basically how much drawdown the trade went into. So before me even adjust my stop loss, I collect data on that. Now I can see on average my max drawdown on average. Yeah, you're gonna have some drawdown that's way more, like we lose like 400 pips on this trade, but you can get for like calculate like the drawdown on average, and then you make an adjustment. But I might try to show you like before I adjust anything, I have to like calculate it. Think of the 2024 I'm start do that. So this them a trade have 14 8 pips drawdown, 78 20. But you get the drift. So same thing me have to do. Me have to go freaking collect data on my entries, bro. And then try and make an adjustment based off my stats though. I can't just I can't just do it because I feel like to do it. Done for show ID. Nice top wick by the way. Rejection, price break, you would expect some more rejection. A 15 top wick at chat, decent. 15 push up bullish towards the entry point at top wick and flip. We have 2 minutes left. A bearish closure, you would expect the next 15-minute candle to continue down, but it depends on how we close though. And the reason why I'm still in this trade, because even though I said just now you'd expect the next 15 to continue down, we still got rejection levels on the way down. As I said earlier, we have a level at 51.80, so just say the 15-minute candle close bearish below, the next 15-minute candle would continue down, but we have a level at 80. We could tap 80 and then get some rejection. If not, price could tap 72, 51, 72. We have levels at 72 as well, and we could get some rejection from 72. Still have a minute left. This 15 candle haven't closed yet, so we can still get like a bullish closure. So I may chat. Well, that's the reason why I'm still in the trade, because a lot of things can still happen. This trade become invalid whenever we break this level, chat. Whenever we break this level, or if we break this level, and we have a level at 65. We break this level at 65, chat. Then mother say, yeah, this trade is now completely invalid. But yeah, We just have some drawdown right now. We're not really breaking like anything major. Still got 15 seconds, bro. So this whole entire candle reject, flip bullish, push all the way back up within the last minute. You see how gold moved though? Was just in drawdown just now, and within 1 minute this candle already pushed straight back up. It was this mini candle from 92. It's like a 60 pip range, 64 to be exact. 1 minute candle move crazy. No chat, can this candle actually flip bullish, push up towards 04, print a low, get some rejection, another low, candle close back above. I would really expect a steep low chat, like when I expect a steep low again. Whoa, previous 15-minute candle close without a top wick. That's kind of crazy. Whenever the candle close without a top wick chat, you'd expect the next candle to reject. It don't happen at 100% of the time, but most time, majority of times, that's what happens whenever you get a candle close like this without a top wick. Previous 15, say look. So you'd expect this current 15-minute candle to reject, but as I said, we have levels on the way down. Could reject to 96 and then flip bearish. We could reject to we have a level at 92, we have levels at 80, we have levels at 73, even though Moody expects such a steep low. But yeah, and I expect a low at 90, 92, or if we break 92, we could push down towards, no, I expect a low at 96. If we break 96, we could push down towards 92. Bro, I feel like me in this trade too long now. This trade I start to piss me off. Wait, this a trade off is way too long now. So you go do what you just have to like, you just have to like wait until price print. Chat, may I wait and see how price like react. We could manage risk though. Like you might see me adjust my stop loss to like the current candle lows or below like 80, but it depends on how price like print. Like if we clearly see a price has struggle, we get closures below a certain level. Yeah, could manage risk. But until then though, you just have to be patient. I wanna reach, I wanna complete the reach, that's it. What time? I'm gonna make this a next color. This yes, I'm entry. It's like we are struggling. Bro, this trade funny as hell, bro. Basically, I struggle for break the highest chart. Like, we try like freaking like 6 times or something like that. But I'm still in though. I struggle for break the highs. This can go. Struggle for flip bullish. You might expect some drawdown in a chat. Like, it depends on how we close. Like, say if we don't flip and we close back below, like we re-break the lows, you would expect some more drawdown if price re-break the lows. After we try so much time for flip. So finally get a pop. It's our 25 pips. Re-breaking highs. This is also a breakout, re-breaking the highs. Alright chat, so this is now a risk-free trade. Almost alright. This is now a risk-free trade chat. Stop loss to break even. Yeah. Remember I said we got break even once this level get tapped. This yellow line came close, stops to break even. Yeah, so now we'll see if this candle can actually push. I think that range feel we're up like 40 pips right now. 39 to be exact. So let's see if this can go pop or if this can go freaking, if we hit break even GG's, bro. All of that. Break even, get hit chat, GG's. Yeah. So that's a risk-free trade. I saw you go chat. You can't really do nothing about that, bro. I think we peak like 45 pips though. Like we could close. Yeah, that was 45. Could close at 03, 04 levels, but we didn't, and it is what it is. Now I guess I should have, I could have tried. I would just never close, and that's what it is. But that was a risk-free trade chat. I'm gonna stay until 11 o'clock. Might get another trade, but if 11 o'clock forward and we get no trades, we're gonna just call it a stream at 11. We still got like what, 30 more minutes left. My day has over 30 more minutes chat, so we can get price just freaking as soon as we tap 04, just drop. They kind of look a bit aggressive on the break even chat, cause look, after consolidation, price try to break this high multiple times. We push up, we reject, push all the way back up again, we reject again. This can go push up again, we reject, we push up again, and then we'll finally break out. And this bullish can go finally break out. So if we break out the range and we print a high, this, and then after we print a high, we'll close back below. This is now a fake out. So consolidation, range, price go up, push down, we go up, push down, go back up. After price consolidate, we get a breakout. So now we expect a continuation. I think that's like the oldest trick in the book, bro. This chart, bro. You must understand what I say. But if I don't understand, let me draw it out. Like you have a draw good, but basically price a range. You see me? And this can go finally break out. This can go break out, close back below the range. I know this look familiar to your chart, especially if you trade a lot. See, like, I can't even draw a freaking straight line. Push below, get some rejection right, sir. Bruh. No, close back below. Yeah. So we have this how we basically have right now. I'm gonna try like move it. I don't think I can even move this. Yeah, I can't move like just because the pen now work chat. Like I usually draw with the pen, but now work, bro. I have to restart my PC, and if I do that stream I go crash. I'm not doing to restart this right now. But yeah, bro, hopefully you get the idea, chat. Consolidation, manipulation, and continuation. That's basically what's happening right now. I'm gonna delete this. Bro, the pen now work, the joke thing, bro. Anytime the pen now work, I can't really explain. Like, I'm not gonna understand. The only way I would understand if I show up every day to the stream. Like if I say I'm gonna rate for like range 2 breakout. If I show up, then you understand what is a range 2 breakout. I would have to draw it out. True, most people not like understand the strategy in my life would draw whenever I explain things. Print another low, top 91. 91 is a good level as well, bro. I swear. Let me see how the 15 look. We're still bearish on the 15. We're still 30-minute candle will flip just now, I think. I'm gonna put this right here, so yeah, we'll flip. Wait up on the minute candle, yeah. Flip bearish and then flip back bullish. Get a closure back above. Chat, we could still get buys, chat. Clearly price, they just need a steeper low. So we have to reject, push down, we top 91, and now we're back into the range. But before we take buys, a closure above would have been decent, chat. Since we're back into the range, if price can close above 04, we'll look for buys going up towards 04. We'll wait for a closure above. That happen, we could look for we could attempt buys again, going up towards next the next range fill, next resistance. Someone that said that would be at 09. Yeah, 09 would have be decent. Let me measure the range going up. Range going up is a 60 pip range. Would I wait for a low get print at 01. 01. This one's price print a low right so look for buys going up. Yup. So this is a new buys idea, chat. This is a new idea for buys. Closure above. Price need for top 01. After price top 01, we should be able to like rebreak the highs, push up and fill the range. We have resistance at 09. 5209. Sells. If I look for sales chart, we need to like rebreak like the lows and close below, like break structure actually. Bro, if I could have draw, I swear I would have break down everything so you guys could understand, but I cannot draw on the freaking screen, bro. The pen not working. Battery all are dead. How much drawdown we had on that trade there? I think we'll go like you see chat, even though the entry could have been better, we still was able to like push back up. The reason for that is chat is structure, bro. You see me? So it's like, say you get an entry and you're with the trend, you would expect all four if you get top, but you get an entry like right or so. I'll show you some. I wish power may even remember like the exact entry would you get. I think right or so. No, did this loaded already print? No, right, so actually. Yeah, so this was the entry, chat. This was the entry. Stop loss did somewhere there, so. Somewhere there, so. This was the entry we get. As I said earlier, the entry could have been better. Could have get like a better entry, chat. But even though the entry was bad, the direction was correct. Like you would expect price for break. Like 04 chat, we just tap 04 and we reject, we get closures below. But you would expect price for top 04 even if we're going to drive, even if we're going to push down. Because goal, like before we push down, we usually grab liquidity. Like something like this, surprise now uptrend. And we are push up. And we get an entry right as a chat. So we get an entry right as so. Price start for range. We're struggling at my entry level, we'll just start for range. Even if price going to do something like this and pop straight down, before price pop straight down and break structure, we could pop down, we could push down in a chat. But before we push down and break structure, you would expect like a top wick first, something like this. Here's in my chat, something like this. I expect this first. Now we could push straight down and take this low out, and even this low once we print a high. So that's basically like the same thing, chat. Retest and we could continue down. So basically same thing, right? So same like idea. We in a bullish trend. We get entries at which level this? 99. Get level entries right as up. Price push down, went into drawdown, push back up. Then we start for range. Just start for range right as up. Price push down, we push up again, push down. And on like the minute time frame, we start for range. But before we push down and like tap like 51 or no, before we push down and get closures below like what you call this 89, you would expect like a little fake out chat. What they call it stop hunt. That's what some people call it. When price push up, print a fake out, and then we push back down and close below the range. Something like this. But start so we close below them levels at chat because we have a top wick, we have liquidity. You see me? So we just have to wait and see like how price play out. Whether we close back, break structure and close below, could look for sales, or if price just go range and close back above, we could look for attempt buys again above like 03 or 04 levels. Could attempt buys, and you would assume say like this should be enough, right? So this low print right so should be enough. If we get like closures back above 04, we should be able to fill the range at 09, 5209. So that's basically the idea, you see me? And the breakdown. You have to understand the trade them chat, you see me? Can't just take a trade and understand it, bro. Basically like that I like basically everything what we just do. Well, not everything, but the idea behind the trade and the reason why we enter. So as I'm say chat, now that we print a top wick at 03, now that we have a high, don't be surprised if we actually like close below the range. And this candle, if this candle like push down and close below, that would make sense. You see me? This would make sense, right? So this may go wait for chat. This may go wait for. Price can close back below. Sales would be decent. If we print a low and we push up and we break the highs, actually close above the highs. Like as you can see, we have a level at 50.04 where price reject from just now. Need a closure above 04. Price will have a reject. Once we close above the second time, we could look for buys above range 2 going up. But yeah, that's like, we always have two ideas, never only have one. Whenever we like start stream, we get idea for buys and idea for sells. So them there are two ideas we have, and it look like we are break structure chart as we say expected. You see me? We'll grab a top, we could print a high just now. So this yeah, we'll see if we can actually like get some sells, but price would I need to close below, break the structure completely. Yeah, chat, cause even though we're pushing down, we still not break structure. You see me? We're pushing down at the first step, but no need for like a closure below. Once we get that, then we could get some sales position. $10.30. Close respecting when I close below as it. Close below as it. That also hourly candle lows, by the way. Just remember me, I'll have someone for go, bro. So chat, you see just know how the can go push down. Remember this the 5 minute can go just reject. Yeah, this 3 minute can go. So you'll reject heavily. And then we'll push back up. The thing is we never close below the range, even though they can go reject, as I said earlier, even though they can go reject, we need to break the structure. We never break. We're still within like this range, right, as a chat. Even know who that, bro. Why this now draw? Oh, I wrong one. Yeah, I gotta say we're still within like this range, right? So you see me? Price fall down, but we never break out. This bearish can go, so push down. This one, yeah. But still like within. In order for we get sales price, we have to break the structure. Once we're below like right so. Once we're below right so, would that be good? But look for sales going down. Bro, I can't even freaking draw with this thing. Like, I have to go learn how to use two of them, dog. So whenever my thing top work, I can't use this. But as I said, we chat, we have to like structure, have to get break completely. And that's why this can go push straight back up into the range. I wanna break out yet. Hold on, chat. Give me like 2 seconds. Me a forward. I'm just delete them. Me I see how that. Hold on. Hold on, me a forward. Hold on, chat. But with that basically like the same thing above the highs, chat. Like if this I range out in as I'm say, price push down just now, but we never break out. We never break out. Like we are wait for like safe price could have break the structure when this bearish candle that push down. But as you can see, we forward top 86 and then we reject, push straight back up into the range. So like we just wait for like range to break out, whether that below or above. Like something like this. If that happen below the range, same thing would I look for above the range chart, like a breakout. Would I avoid the first breakout, wait for a retest, and the second breakout we could have for buys going up towards 09. So the same idea. We just need like a breakout though. Whether we break out, whether we break the lows or we break the highs. Range 2 breakout. But me a for chat, give me like 2 seconds. I'm there, but yeah, all this looks so. Oh, and as I said, try to bear in mind, like it would be the first breakout. It'll be like the second breakout after the retest. So I put a level right, so sealer. I put a level right, so yeah. And the next one right, so at 07. Let me just delete them though. Got what 15 minutes left. I would try would have it happen in like 15 minutes. If not, we're gonna just call it a stream. Forward back tomorrow. When break even trade today, bro. Thursday trade, I'll normally leave a journal Thursday trade, bro. If you keep up with like my journaling, I miss one day. And I go get that done after stream and journal break even trade too. I tell you like things like through my stream, you can just watch back your stream and see the exact like entry point and exit and the drawdown and everything I need for like fill this out. I'm just like, since we take this like 460 pip help on stream, we not really recover it. Yeah, we not recover it. I think we're up like what 269 pips right now. And all of them are on stream trades. Keep that in mind, like yeah. Still up for like a month though, and the weekly total still doing good. But remember this trade where we take dog. Oh, yeah, it was this trade, right? So come on the way there. This was in 2025 though, December 2nd. Yeah, lose 430 pips. And we end up like, I think we did lose like Monday too. Yeah, Monday we did lose 120. We end off that week with like minus 460. And the week after that, minus 39. This is basically break even, bro. 39 pips. But so far, like, catch back your speed, you see me? Just have like, make sure just like execute properly, bro. Don't chase nothing. When the session up, we call it a session. You see me? That's all we have for the chat. Once we follow a plan, we should be straight, bro. Should be straight. Bro, my thing I bug out. We never close above either. Wait, stops would I get hit, chat? What if we never hit break even on that trade? Let me see if stops would I get hit. We ever go all the way back? I don't think so though. I think we have stops and break a structure and we never break structure just now. Bro, so far I have to go back. Well, stop loss did they? Nah, would have still be good, bro. Stops would get hit because whenever break structure, as I'm gonna say, still in right now. It is what it is. Well, I can't go back. That's crazy. Highs and lows, highs and lows. But me not lie, this was a good trading session, chat. I swear. Even though we hit break even, price action was clean. We just range, bro. Like we not really push. Price not really do a lot, bro. We just stuck in this range. I mean, earlier we did a move, like earlier when price did the below 49. Yeah. 45 levels. Suppose I want 930. Yeah. And then you just get slowed in. Bro, I mean, I think this, we have to go, bro, we are going to wait for like, as I'm saying, chat, we are waiting for like a range to breakout above 05, and we have 9 minutes left. I think that going to happen. Unless gold just pick up volume out of nowhere. Unless this can just start pop. But if we continue moving where we are moving right now, yeah, most likely it's gonna be a break-even stream. Like that rejection though, like, bro, go have that style when it just glitch, bro. You can basically just glitch just now. 6 minute can go 100 pips. Yeah, try look like we're just gonna be stuck in this range, bro. From fucking 84 to 05. In 2 lines, I'm gonna have to mark up this range we're in. Look like we're stuck for right now. Got what? 6 minutes left until I call it a stream. Can we get a breakout within 6 minutes? Chat, I soon start trade VIX on stream, and yeah, I soon start trade VIX 30 on stream. Chat. Basically, whenever I'm trading VIX though, I use the same strategy, but different risk to reward ratio. And VIX, I usually like go for like 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Thought I 1 to 8 the other day, and VIX 30. So whenever I'm start like trade that on stream, chat, we're gonna have a way better like risk to reward than the one we use on gold. As on gold we have a negative risk to reward, but whenever I'm trading VIX, I go for like 1 to 2, 1 to 3. And I scalp within like a 5-minute time frame. So I know whenever I'm start stream that gonna be smooth, cause a lot of people scared of the way I trade just because my risk to reward whenever I'm trading gold. But the VIX, not gonna love that one day. We'll go crazy on VIX, bro. I'm up on VIX, bro. So you get an entry right, so we use like the current candle stops or the previous one, just target like the top of the range. So I'm gonna do it over VIX, bro. And within like 5 minutes, trade a play out. Whether we win or lose. I'm gonna create a journal to check, cause I need to calculate my win rate and VIX 30. So I'm gonna have to create a journal to do that. Create a journal and then take like 100 trades and calculate the win rate, cause I don't know my win rate with VIX. And just because I have a different RR whenever I'm trading VIX, I know the win rate change. Nowhere like the win rate have to change. So I calculate that. But I know like my goal win rate, I have like a 85% win rate last time I checked. Over like 300 trades. Yeah, calculate every trade, chat. Like all of my trades them from 2024, calculate all of them. And that's how I get the win rate. Calculate every single one of them. Every single one of them. When they do that, we have like 86% win rate. Dan Vodo, my mentor, dog have a 90% win rate, bro. That crazy. Imagine win 90% of the time. Them man, the brain, dog. Like, I swear, if you don't know who named Danvo, like, the dog on the stream FOMC now on YouTube. You have to like go in a private group when live stream. But back then when the dog used to stream on YouTube, bro. May I tell you, if you just go back and watch back the dog stream, dog on like toughest, bro. It's like the man barely miss, bro. Trust me, let me tell you that. Dog barely miss. You have like 1 minute left. 1 minute left until I call it a stream. But I think I do that after stream. I just create like a new journal and journal VIX trade. I need for know like if a win rate drop or if it go up or if it stay the same, because that I gonna help me to adjust. You see me? So you gonna know like if what you need to adjust. But like I need like data first. This freaking can just arrange level of clocks, chat. I call it a stream. You see me? come back tomorrow and just continue to follow a plan. But we're just stuck in this range right now. Price clearly not breaking out. Yeah. But respect to everybody who followed out on the stream though and watch as soon as my end stream, we're gonna just break out. Just watch. That always happen, bro. You know, whenever time for your end stream and you're about to end, the can go just break out. But yeah, chat me sooner tomorrow though. 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Drop a like on the stream. Respect to everybody who followed out. But yeah, that is it. Me sooner tomorrow. Bro, if this candle ever close below now, dog, I swear. I done still. Don't feed it at 11 o'clock, dog. I not trade past 11. Just a rule of mine. But if this can go close below now, that would have be crazy. I swear. Alright, chat. Me soon tomorrow, chat. That is it for right now. Just watch this can go close below as my end stream, bro. Crazy. But to done for sure ID. Alright. Oh, see they start work now. Fucking pen, all the pen just weird to bro. I pen I next thing I may have to go fucking find a way of like get a new one or something. But now let's chat, you see me? My God. Alright, watch this. This is shit when me I talk about. Just watch this chat. Me just see I've shown you this, bro. Just watch this. Oh, fucking breakout as soon as my end stream. Like, me could have easily like predict that, bro. We're gonna break out whenever my end stream. Like, fuck it though, chat. It is what it is. Soon or tomorrow. Watch this.